Imagine having the power to manage your kidney health and naturally lower creatinine levels, sidestepping the need for frequent, stressful medical interventions. This capability isn't just wishful thinking, it's a reality grounded in robust scientific research and compelling success stories from those who have walked this path. Today, we're diving into a potent remedy that promises not only to enhance your kidney function, but to also effectively reduce your creatinine levels. To truly appreciate the impact of this remedy, it's essential first to understand what creatinine levels signify about your kidney health. High creatinine levels often indicate that your kidneys may not be functioning optimally. This understanding sets the stage for us to explore a natural remedy that has been supported by scientific validation and positive personal experiences, offering a beacon of hope for many seeking alternatives to conventional treatments. Creatinine is a waste product that arises naturally from muscle metabolism. This substance is filtered out of the blood by the kidneys, which serves as a critical indicator of renal function. Regular monitoring of creatinine levels is essential because it helps assess how well the kidneys are performing their filtration duties. Elevated levels can signal that the kidneys might not be functioning optimally, prompting further investigation and intervention. Several factors can lead to increased creatinine levels, with common culprits including impaired kidney function, a diet high in protein, and the usage of certain medications like NSAIDs, some antibiotics, and drugs used in chemotherapy. These factors can put additional stress on the kidneys. For instance, excessive protein intake requires the kidneys to work harder to filter out the surplus byproducts like creatinine, potentially leading to higher levels in the blood. Similarly, certain medications can impair kidney function or damage kidney tissues, further exacerbating the problem. Managing these influencing factors is crucial to maintaining optimal kidney health and preventing further complications. By addressing the root causes of increased creatinine levels, individuals can take proactive steps towards preserving their kidney function and overall health. Dietary changes offer a non-invasive and effective way to lower creatinine levels, providing individuals with a proactive method to enhance kidney health without the need for medical interventions. By adjusting what we eat, we can directly influence the internal processes that impact kidney function, including the production and filtration of creatinine. Specifically, reducing protein consumption can significantly help manage creatinine levels. Proteins, especially those from animal sources, produce more creatinine as a byproduct of metabolism compared to other nutrients. By decreasing protein intake, the kidneys have less creatinine to filter out, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals whose kidneys are already under strain. In addition to reducing protein, increasing the intake of fruits and vegetables can support kidney health in a multifaceted way. These food groups are high in antioxidants and other nutrients that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Moreover, fruits and vegetables have a high water content, which helps flush out toxins from the kidneys, aiding in the overall filtration process and further supporting the maintenance of healthy creatinine levels. This balanced approach to diet not only improves kidney function, but also contributes to a stronger, healthier body. Specific foods are recognized for their beneficial properties in supporting kidney function and reducing creatinine levels. Cucumbers, radishes, and cherries are among these beneficial foods, each offering unique nutrients that help in detoxifying and supporting the kidneys. Cucumbers are particularly valuable due to their high water content, which helps hydrate the body and flush out toxins, including excess creatinine from the kidneys. They also contain compounds that help to lower uric acid levels, further relieving the kidneys from excessive filtering work. Radishes, on the other hand, serve as a natural diuretic. This means they help increase urine production, aiding the kidneys in eliminating waste products more efficiently. Their ability to improve blood circulation to the kidneys also plays a crucial role in enhancing kidney health and function. Similarly, cherries are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties, which are vital in preventing and reducing inflammation in the kidneys. The compounds in cherries also help reduce uric acid levels and other toxins that could burden the kidneys. These foods, when incorporated into a regular diet, not only support the detoxification process, but also improve overall kidney function by reducing the stress on these organs. This in turn helps in maintaining more stable creatinine levels in the body, reflecting healthier kidney activity. Incorporating such foods into one's diet represents a simple yet effective way to naturally support kidney health and optimize their function. Proper hydration plays a pivotal role in maintaining kidney health and facilitating the efficient functioning of these critical organs. The kidneys rely on a sufficient flow of water to dilute waste products in the blood, including creatinine, making it easier for them to be filtered out and excreted through urine. When the body is well hydrated, the blood volume remains at an optimal level, promoting better circulation and helping the kidneys perform their filtration task more efficiently. Adequate water intake ensures that the kidneys do not have to strain to extract wastes from a limited volume of fluid, which can be particularly taxing on these organs. By maintaining good hydration, the concentration of creatinine and other toxins in the bloodstream is reduced, thereby decreasing the workload on the kidneys and allowing them to function more effectively. This process not only supports the overall health of the kidneys, but also aids in the prevention of kidney stones and other renal complications. Ensuring consistent and sufficient water intake is a straightforward yet crucial measure that can significantly impact kidney health and the management of creatinine levels in the body. Finding the right balance in water intake is essential for maintaining kidney health and managing creatinine levels. The general guideline for optimal water intake suggests that adults should aim for approximately 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, though this amount can vary based on individual factors such as age, activity level, climate, and overall health. This level of hydration helps ensure that the kidneys function efficiently, facilitating the excretion of waste products like creatinine. However, it's equally important to avoid overhydration, which can occur when too much water dilutes the body's electrolytes, particularly sodium, creating a condition known as hyponatremia. Overhydration can also lead to increased kidney workload, as the organs must work harder to filter out excess water, potentially stressing them unnecessarily. By adhering to recommended water intake levels and adjusting them according to personal health needs and environmental conditions, individuals can effectively use hydration as a simple and effective remedy to help lower creatinine levels. This balance ensures that the kidneys are neither overburdened nor underperforming, promoting optimal kidney function and overall health. Herbal remedies like dandelion root and nettle leaf have been traditionally used to support kidney health and are now backed by scientific studies that underscore their effectiveness in enhancing kidney function and lowering creatinine levels. Dandelion root acts as a natural diuretic, promoting the production of urine and helping the kidneys flush out excess toxins, including creatinine. This herb is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances, which further aid in protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and potential damage. Nettle leaf, another powerful herbal remedy, has been shown to support renal excretion and increase urinary volume, which is beneficial in managing blood creatinine levels. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties and is rich in nutrients crucial for kidney health, such as vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. These nutrients not only support the overall health of the kidneys, but also help in mitigating the risk of urinary tract infections, which can impair kidney function. The scientific backing for these herbs highlights their role in naturally promoting kidney health without the harsh effects associated with some pharmaceutical interventions. By incorporating such herbal remedies into one's health regimen, individuals can take a proactive approach to maintain kidney function and manage creatinine levels effectively. Certain supplements, notably omega-3 fatty acids and B vitamins, play a critical role in supporting kidney health. Omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which is crucial for preventing and managing chronic kidney disease and other renal impairments that can elevate creatinine levels. These fatty acids are also linked to improved cardiovascular health, which is essential since good blood circulation is necessary for efficient kidney function. B vitamins, particularly B6, B12, and folic acid, are vital for proper kidney function. They help reduce homocysteine levels in the blood, high levels of which are associated with an increased risk of kidney disease. These vitamins also play a role in energy metabolism, aiding the kidneys in their filtration and excretory functions. When combined with dietary changes, such as increased intake of fruits and vegetables and reduced protein consumption, as well as maintaining optimal hydration, these supplements can significantly enhance kidney health. The synergistic effect of a well-balanced diet, adequate hydration, and targeted supplementation with omega-3 and B vitamins can lead to more effective management of creatinine levels and overall kidney function. This holistic approach supports the kidneys in multiple ways, ensuring they operate efficiently and remain healthy. Physical activity is a cornerstone of maintaining and improving kidney health. Regular, moderate exercise contributes significantly to overall cardiovascular health, which is crucial for ensuring efficient blood flow throughout the body, including to the kidneys. Enhanced circulation ensures that the kidneys receive a steady supply of oxygenated blood, essential for their optimal functioning. This increased blood flow aids the kidneys in their primary role of filtering waste products from the blood, such as creatinine, thereby helping to maintain or even lower creatinine levels. Moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, can be particularly beneficial. These activities help manage blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which are important for preventing conditions that can strain kidney function, such as hypertension and diabetes. By integrating regular physical activity into one's daily routine, individuals not only support their kidney health, but also contribute to the longevity and efficiency of these vital organs. This lifestyle adjustment ensures that the kidneys are better equipped to perform their filtration duties effectively, promoting overall renal health and stability in creatinine levels. Avoiding toxins such as tobacco and excessive alcohol is critical for maintaining kidney health, as these substances can significantly impair kidney function. Tobacco smoking leads to a decrease in blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their ability to function efficiently. It also exacerbates kidney diseases by increasing blood pressure and inducing the release of inflammatory agents that can damage kidney tissues. Similarly, excessive alcohol consumption can cause changes in the kidney's function and increase the risk of kidney disease by altering electrolyte levels, such as sodium and potassium, and increasing the risk of dehydration, which hampers the kidney's ability to filter and excrete waste. To see tangible benefits in kidney health and creatinine levels, it's important to gradually incorporate lifestyle changes that exclude these harmful substances. Here are some actionable tips. Set clear goals. Define specific, achievable goals, such as reducing smoking by 1 cigarette per week or limiting alcohol intake to social occasions only. Seek support. Consider joining support groups or seeking help from healthcare professionals to assist with cessation programs, especially for tobacco. Substitute habits. Replace smoking breaks with healthier alternatives like short walks or snacks like fruits or nuts. For alcohol, consider switching to non-alcoholic beverages or water during meals and social gatherings. Stay informed. Educate yourself about the direct impact of these toxins on kidney health and overall well-being to reinforce your motivation to quit. Monitor progress. Keep track of improvements in your health, such as better hydration, lower blood pressure, and improvements in blood creatinine levels, as these can serve as significant motivators. By taking these steps, individuals can effectively reduce their exposure to kidney-damaging toxins, leading to improved kidney function and lowered creatinine levels. This proactive approach not only enhances renal health, but also contributes to a better quality of life overall. In today's discussion, we've explored several vital strategies to support kidney health and manage creatinine levels effectively. Starting with dietary changes, we emphasize the importance of reducing protein intake and incorporating kidney-supportive foods such as cucumbers, radishes, and cherries. These dietary adjustments are pivotal in decreasing the burden on the kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. Hydration also plays a critical role. Maintaining optimal water intake helps dilute waste products like creatinine, facilitating easier filtration and supporting overall kidney function. We also delved into herbal remedies such as dandelion root and nettle leaf, which are scientifically recognized for their diuretic and kidney-supportive properties. Additionally, supplements like omega-3 fatty acids and B vitamins were highlighted for their ability to reduce inflammation and support metabolic processes in the kidneys. Lifestyle adjustments, including regular physical activity and avoiding toxins such as tobacco and excessive alcohol, are also key. These changes not only promote better blood flow to the kidneys, but also help in reducing the risk of conditions that can exacerbate kidney stress. As we conclude, consider these changes not just as a means to lower creatinine levels, but as part of a comprehensive approach to improving your overall health. Each step you take contributes to better kidney function and a healthier life. I invite you to subscribe to stay updated on more health insights and share your experiences or questions about managing kidney health in the comments below. Your journey towards better health is important, and this community is here to support you every step of the way.